Most people believe that aging is simply a one-way street. They view it as a slow and inevitable slide into decay that they cannot control. They are mistaken. Science has actually discovered that your physical body possesses a hidden switch that has the power to reverse your biological clock. At this very moment, deep inside your cells, microscopic garbage is piling up. This consists of damaged proteins, broken mitochondria, and cellular debris that simply should not be there. I want you to imagine a house where the trash is never taken out. Week after week and year after year, the refuse accumulates in every single corner. The air inside grows thick and heavy. The walls actually begin to rot from the inside out. That house is your body, and that accumulation is what scientists call cellular senescence. This accumulation of waste is exactly what you experience as the process of aging. However, here is what they do not tell you. Your body was originally designed with a brilliant cleanup system. It has a built-in incinerator that burns away the waste, melts down the broken parts, and rebuilds you from the inside out. The problem is that modern life has buried the on switch so deep that most people never activate it. They do not activate it once, not ever. By the time you reach the end of this presentation, you will know the exact 3-step ritual required to push this button. Once you do, the decay stops. The clock reverses. You become the person that you were always meant to be. Let us begin with the reason why you are aging faster than your grandparents did. You live in a state of constant feast. It is not just food, although that is certainly a large part of it. You feast on information. You feast on stimulation. You feast on stress. From the precise moment you wake up until the moment you collapse into sleep at night, your system is flooded. It is flooded with notifications, emails, sugar, caffeine, blue light, and cortisol. You must understand that your body does not know the difference between a work deadline and a saber-toothed tiger. It treats every single ping on your phone, every food craving, and every scroll through social media as an incoming threat or a reward. When your body is busy processing all of that input, digesting, responding, and reacting, it simply cannot repair itself. Think of it in this way. You have two distinct modes. You have building mode and you have healing mode. You cannot be in both of these modes at once. When you eat, your body builds. When you stress, your body defends. But healing only happens in the gaps. It happens in the silence. It happens in the absence of input. The tragedy is that you have no gaps anymore. This is what scientists call biological noise. It is the static that keeps your cellular cleanup system offline. It is the reason why your skin dulls. It is the reason why your energy crashes. It is the reason why your mind fogs. It is not because you are old. It is because you never stop. Now let me tell you something strange. There are ancient texts from Tibetan, Taoist, and Vedic traditions that describe monks who lived for centuries without aging. They called it the golden body, or the Vajra body. This was described as a state where the flesh becomes crystalline and incorruptible. Western scholars dismissed these stories for a long time. They called them myths, metaphors, or wishful thinking. Then, in the year 2016, a Japanese scientist named Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize. His discovery was autophagy. The word comes from Greek. Auto means self. Phagy means eating. It literally means self-eating. It sounds grotesque, but it is actually the most elegant process in all of biology. When your body enters the state of autophagy, your cells do not just clean up. They actually devour their own damaged parts. They break down the trash inside the cell. They burn it for fuel. They use the raw materials to build new and healthy structures. This is not just healing. This is regeneration. Yoshinori Ohsumi proved that autophagy is the reason certain organisms do not age. It is why some cells stay young, while others decay. He showed that when you trigger this process, your body does not just slow aging, it reverses it. Cellular damage decreases, inflammation drops, even your DNA benefits. The telomeres, which are those protective caps that shorten with every cell division, can actually lengthen again. In the year 2013, Dr. Dean Ornish published a groundbreaking study in The Lancet. He took men with shortened telomeres, men whose biological clocks were running too fast, and he changed their lifestyle. There were no drugs involved. There was no surgery. It was just behavior. After 5 years, their telomeres had grown longer. Their cells had become biologically younger. The golden body was not a myth after all. It was autophagy. The monks had discovered the switch without knowing the science behind it. And now you are about to learn exactly how to flip it. Here is the protocol. I am calling it the 168 cellular reset. This is not a diet. This is a biological hack. It is a daily ritual that activates your body's internal incinerator and burns away the years. Step 1 is the stop switch. You are going to create a 16-hour window where absolutely nothing enters your system except water. There is to be no food. There are to be no calories. There are to be no insulin spikes. This is non-negotiable. You must pick an 8-hour eating window. Most people choose noon to 8 in the evening. Others prefer 10 in the morning to 6 in the evening. The specific timing matters less than the gap itself. What matters is the silence. What matters is the absence. What matters is the space where your body finally stops building and starts healing. During those 16 hours, your insulin levels drop. Your growth signals turn off. Approximately 12 to 14 hours into this window, autophagy ignites. The cleanup crew clocks in. The incinerator fires up. Your cells begin to eat themselves in the best possible way. You must understand that you are not starving. You are activating. Step 2 is the hunger signal. Somewhere around hour 14, you will feel it. It will feel like a hollow ache in your stomach. It might feel like a low electric hum in your blood. Most people panic when they feel this. They think they are starving. They think their body is breaking down. They are wrong. That sensation is not hunger. It is activation. It is the sound of your cellular machinery waking up after years of sleep. It is the feeling of autophagy turning on. You must learn to recognize it. You must learn to welcome it. That discomfort is not your enemy. It is your body speaking to you. It is saying that it is healing now. It is burning the waste. It is becoming young again. Sit with it. Breathe through it. Let it pass, because it will pass. Hunger comes in waves. It peaks and it fades. On the other side of that wave is clarity. On the other side is energy. On the other side is a sharpness you forgot you could feel. Step 3 is the breath amplifier. Here is the problem. Stress kills autophagy. When cortisol spikes, your body thinks it is under attack. It shuts down repair and goes into defense mode. So if you are fasting while you are anxious, while you are overwhelmed, or while you are drowning in biological noise, you are wasting the window. You need to calm the system down. The fastest way to do that is breath. This is called the 4-7-8 breath. You inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. You hold that breath for 7 seconds. You exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Do this 3 times whenever you feel the stress rising. Do it whenever the hunger becomes panic. Do it whenever your mind starts spinning. This specific breath pattern activates your parasympathetic nervous system. It drops cortisol levels. It signals safety to your body. And in that state of calm, autophagy deepens. The healing accelerates. You are not just fasting. You are conducting a cellular symphony. Let me say this as clearly as I can. You are not aging because of time. You are aging because of accumulation. You are aging because your body has been running in building mode for decades, without a single moment of true repair. You are not broken. You are clogged. The 168 cellular reset clears the clog. It activates the hidden switch. It gives your body permission to do what it was always designed to do. It allows it to burn away the damage and rebuild itself stronger, sharper, and younger. Do this for 7 days. Just 7 days. Watch what happens. Watch how your energy shifts. Watch how your skin changes. Watch how your mind clears. This is not a placebo effect. This is biology. If you are ready to start tonight, and if you are ready to become ageless, comment below. Write the words "I am ageless." The switch is real. The science is undeniable. And the power has always been yours. You just forgot how to use it. Now you remember.